In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your high beam bulb on your Toyota Camry. It's located under the hood on your headlight. You're going to twist your bulb to the left and pull it out. Now we're going to undo the harness that goes to the bulb by pushing in on this tab and undoing the bulb. We're going to put in our new bulb. Make sure you hear that click. Do not touch this unless you have gloves on, because the oils on your fingers aren't good for the bulb. Line up the tabs, push it in, and then you're going to turn it to tighten it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.